friends, today I'm going to share with you how I did this DIY accent wall and how you too can do it for absolutely free. We started off the project by painting the accent wall black. Now we did this so when you see the creases in between the pallet wood, you don't see a pure white or even the gray like his wall is there. So we did this project actually up in my husband's office, and we didn't paint it black so you can actually see the creases of white kind of through it. So we wanted to do a really good job, especially since we plan on this being a long-term wall and we plan on living here forever. This will be our forever home. So we wanted to do a very good job and make it look really nice for him. Our son is gonna have a kind of rustic car truck themed room, and so we thought that this pallet wood wall would be absolutely amazing, affordable as well, since we're on a really tight budget right now during the quarantine, and we got the pallet wood for absolutely free. So if you want to get a gallon of paint, it's going to cost roughly around $30, but really, truly, that's all you would really need to spend for this project.
Top it round and stomp it round, all through the town. And the wheels on the bus goes round and round. Paint, 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 paint. The wheels on the bus go paint, 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 all through the town.
What are you guys doing today?
We're painting.
Whose room is this?
This is Boa's room.
Oh wow.
And we are painting Boa's black wall. Right. Because my dad did that right there.
What do you do?
Yeah. Right there.
What do you do?
He does that sweet. He actually does paint with me all the room in Boa's room.
Good job.
You guys gonna get some more paint? Looks like you're getting low.
You can see the eyeshadow.
There's eyeshadow?
Yeah, look. Eyeshadow. This is eyeshadow.
I'd love to know in the comment section down below, do you guys get your kids involved with your DIY projects? And what DIY projects have you guys been accomplishing during this quarantine time? I thought I was going to accomplish a lot more, but it ended up being a really busy time at home. My husband ended up going back to work about a month into the quarantine, and life has just gotten really busy with a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. They're very busy bees, and so we spend a lot of time outside and a lot of time doing projects and just having a lot of fun. So DIY projects didn't end up being a huge priority, but I love sharing them here with you guys, and I'm really excited to share this whole bedroom makeover with you guys next month. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on this whole boy bedroom makeover. And the following month I'm actually going to be doing, or we are going to be doing, our daughter's bedroom makeover as well too. So make sure you guys are subscribed for that. Now finally, the palette part of this tutorial has started, and this is like a puzzle piece process, and I hope that makes sense. It was so easy to do. It's basically just like matching your favorite pieces, and we like to alternate the colors and the sizes to just make it kind of a very effortless look, but also a unique look, and to make it not look perfect. You don't want all the same pieces in one spot, or else it's gonna look like all these clumps of wood. You want every piece to just have a unique kind of style. And if you do get a palette that has all the same type of wood, you can always stain certain pieces with different colors. We were gonna do this with a few pieces, but we ended up just loving the way it looked, so that wasn't a problem at all. One thing that you guys will see up above on the black wall is my husband did every 18 inches, he drew a line so that way we were hitting the studs with our nail gun. My favorite part about this whole entire project is just absolutely how affordable it can be done. I've seen people do, which there's nothing wrong with this, but I've seen people do DIY shiplap where they use a marker. I've seen people do so many different things, whether it be foam DIY shiplap, and those are great, but if you're looking for a really, really high-end type of DIY project as an accent wall, this is seriously the way to go, you guys, because you don't even have to buy a Sharpie. So I highly recommend doing this. It's something you could put a couple of crates in the back of your car. It's gonna fit in your car, and I personally love it. I got a comment the other day about what high-end means, and I thought that was a really, really good question. And what high-end means to me is it just seems a little bit higher class. So it might be a material that just is more quality made, and so that's what high-end means to me, and I think that this project really, really screams that. So if you're looking for a high quality DIY project that's free, this is a great way to do so, and I highly recommend it. Thank you all so much for watching this DIY pallet wood wall video. I hope you guys got inspiration, new ideas. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like this sort of video and if you guys are gonna be doing a DIY project like this too. I'll see you guys later on Living in Country. Bye.